here is the second property. What they have given us: for a set of observations, the sum of absolute deviations is minimum when the deviations are taken from median. That is, this property states that summation of mod xi minus a is minimum if we choose a as the median. So in arithmetic mean we considered, if we will consider summation of each and every observation from its mean gives you what? 0. But if we consider modulus of xi minus median, so summation of all observations taken from its median gives you minimum value. This they wants to tell you. Now the next part of this is partition value or quartiles or fractiles. Actually it may be decile, it may be percentile. Now partition value, what it means? Suppose I have, let us consider one box or one rectangle. If I want to make it into two parts, so what I have to do? I have to draw a single line, and suppose I want two equal parts. Okay, so what I do is I will draw a line between that rectangle so that I'll get two different parts, right? So that single line is nothing but what? My partition. Yes or no? So partition is nothing but say a line which divides your data into some parts. Okay, so this gives you partition. For two partitions I required only one line. If I want three partitions, so how many lines I have to draw? I have to draw two lines for three partitions. For four partitions, how many lines I have to draw? I have to draw three lines. Okay, and suppose I want 10 equal parts. Okay, so for those 10 equal parts I want, so partition value divides our data into different partitions, right? Now here we are considering this partition values. What we want? We have this partition value related with, if we want it into two equal parts. So if my data is divided into two equal part, so it can be considered that partition value is nothing but median. Yes or no? 50% observations on left hand side, 50% observations on right hand side. Now the next type of that is nothing but what? Quartiles. Quartiles means 4. So I want my data is partition into 4 equal parts. So for doing partition into 4 equal parts, I want at least 3 partitions. Yes or no? So quartile gives me our data into 4 equal parts, right? So this is all about quartile. The next is what? The next is decile. Decile means 10. So you have to convert your data or partition your data into 10 equal parts. So this, that gives you what? That is nothing but deciles. So for minimum 9 deciles are required to convert your data into 10 equal parts. And the last is what? It is percentile. So percentile means percentage, we know it is 100. So we have to convert our data into what? 100 equal parts. Okay, so gives me what? Percentiles. So for percentile I required P1, P2 till P99. So 99 partitions are required. So this partition value or quartiles or percentiles. Okay, so here is the definition of partition. Partition values, those are either quartiles, deciles or percentiles. Now there are different nomenclature for different partitions. If you are dividing into two equal parts, it is called as what? It is called as median. If you want to convert it into 4 equal parts, it is called as quartiles. If you want to convert it into 10 equal parts, then those are deciles, and if you want to convert it into 100 equal parts, it is called as what? Percentiles. So here are definitions